This is an overview presentation of swyMed's EMR integration for Telestroke at Loyola University in Chicago. The swyMed environment allows you to show multiple screen views so that the provider can have the layout on screen as they want. With a few quick clicks, a web form is opened, allowing them to enter the patient MRN and submit that as a query to, in this case, Epic, going over the RedoxEngine gateway. Redox sends an HL7 query to Epic. Epic returns information, which is displayed in the web form. You notice at the top, patient information, date of birth, calculation of age, sex, and the patient data button, which opens the full CCD. The video call is still live with the video windows over on the right-hand side. This being a test patient, it has a fairly extensive CCD. And this is all easily reviewable by the provider in a format that was designed, or layout designed by our client for their convenience. When complete, you're back to the web form. This is the Epic stroke protocol as implemented within Loyola. We've added a variety of simple features to make selecting information quick and easy. In addition, sometimes information is not known, so you have the unknown option. But all these are required fields, so if it's not known and entered, unknown must be entered. Move on to step 2. Again, each question here relates to a particular portion of the stroke clinical protocol that was in place. And these are all the exact same questions, the exact same options, verbatim. We've just dropped them into a form that allows a remote provider to use them and eventually to file them in the patient record without direct access to that patient record. Notice that as various options are chosen, the available sub-options are modified, and as they get down to the end of the 4-step process, we have a form that's calculating the total score and has a free text field for additional commentary. provider has to enter their unique identifier. If they don't, they can't continue. And they have to enter the unique identifier of the patient encounter record. But because in this case the provider didn't put the ID in, they can't proceed. Once the ID is in, they click the report button. That finalizes the report, saves it as a PDF file, ready to be put into Epic. But before that happens, the provider has an opportunity to review all the information that they put into that web form. Now, if they find that there's something that they want to change, they can just close that PDF, go right back in, make a modification, or 2, or 3. The form updates automatically. They send the report back to PDF. And the final version with changes is available to be reviewed. And clicking Send Report sends it across the Redox bridge to be filed in the patient encounter record within Epic.